To open an account with Vantage, begin by going to the Play Store or App Store and searching for Vantage. You can also use the registration link provided in the video description. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and phone number to start registration. You'll be prompted to verify your account. Tap Verify Now. Next, complete your basic details for KYC. After submitting these details, click on Set Up Account. Select Indian Rupees as your account currency and Standard STP as your account type. Then submit the form. Your trading account will now be set up successfully. Proceed by clicking on Complete Identity Verification. Upload a valid identity proof, submit your documents, and your KYC is usually approved within 2 to 3 hours. To deposit funds, click the Deposit button. For this demonstration, we'll deposit 15,000 rupees using the UPI option. You'll be redirected to the payment page. Complete the transaction using any UPI payment method. Once successful, the amount will reflect in your trading account and we can start trading. For trading, we'll focus on the NASDAQ index, also known as NAS 100. Search for NAS 100 in the app and add it to your watch list. Risk management is key. Although 15,000 rupees enables us to technically trade up to 3.50 lots, that approach is extremely risky and resembles gambling. We recommend using only 10% of capital per trade. So dividing 15,000 rupees into 10 parts means each part is 1,500 rupees. Based on this, we'll set our lot size to 0.30. You'll find the link to join our Telegram group in the video description below. Simply click on it to receive trade updates, signals, and become part of our trading community. Let's walk through a trade example. Suppose our entry price is 23,412, our stop loss is 23,425, and our target is 23,391. We'll enter these levels directly into the system order. All orders will be managed automatically. There's no need for manual intervention, eliminating emotional decisions from the process. The system will either hit the target or the stop loss. For this demonstration, we're canceling this order. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.